Okay, so if you thought of what factors affect the seed's germination rate, if you said moisture, rain, temperature, because if it freezes, your plant's not going to grow more than likely. Okay, if it's nice outside, the temperature's perfect, not too hot, your plant's going to grow. The seed's going to open up and grow. Sunlight and soil nutrients. Right, now take a look at this seed right there. I wanted to draw this coat because it's very important. You know, when you go outside and it's freezing outside, you have to wear several layers of clothes, especially a coat because it's cold and you want to protect your skin. You don't want to freeze to death. Well, the seed has a coat as well, okay? And soon we are going to dissect a seed. Over here you have the other seed. So the outer layer, okay, that's the coat, like this. Coat comes off, and then the coat, just like our skin. See our skin? That's the coating. We have a coating, and it's called skin. It protects the inside. It protects our muscles, our flesh, our organs. The skin's very important. The coat to this seed is very important. So here we have a seed. We have the outer coating, okay? Then we have the embryo, and then this is the food storage. All through here is the food storage, okay? And we're going to dissect a seed, and then, hint, 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 we are going to grow. We're going to plant some seeds and watch it grow. I've already started on one, and it's going to be so cool.